Hi, good morning everyone. I'm gonna make a corn salad today. So I have my ingredients all set to go. So I have corn in a can. I have two of those. Bell peppers, onions. I'm gonna put some mayonnaise on it. Alright, and of course a little bit of cheese. So I have all my ingredients ready to go. So let's begin. Let's begin with the corn. So we have whole kernel corn. There we go. Just need to drain off drain the juices off the. I'm going to use 2 cans. 2 cans. Drain the water off. Alright, we'll set that aside. So here we are. And then for our mustard, 1 spoon of mustard. We have black pepper. So we're gonna do this. Teaspoon. Add our cheese. So I'm gonna pop this in the fridge and serve it cold.